What are you wearing?
My favorite outfit is a good attitude.
Oh,
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to chat with Google Home and let it answer some of our questions. I really like how Google Home can get interactive sometimes, and that really brings this artificial intelligence to another level. So today I'm not going to ask Google Home to crack some random jokes because we all know it's good at it. I'll try to ask some random questions and see what it does. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started.
hello Alexa.
I'm flattered, but that's not me. I'm your Google Assistant.
Oh, hello Siri.
I'm flattered to be mistaken for Siri. I admire Siri a lot. I even wrote it a poem. Google is red, Google is blue, apples are sweet, and Siri is too.
Do you know Siri?
Siri seems clever.
Huh. What do you think of Siri other than this?
She has a nice name.
Do you know Alexa?
She seems pretty smart.
What else do you think of Alexa?
I like Alexa's cool blue light. Plus, we share an affinity for Star Wars.
Haha. Do you know Cordana?
Cortana is so cool. She gets to assist in the Halo games and in real life.
Oh,
Maybe
wow.
someday I can help out in video games too.
Oh, that's a great idea. What else do you think of Cortana?
Cortana has her own video games. That's every assistant's dream.
Do you think you're better than Alexa?
Alexa has her strengths and I have mine. I give her mad respect.
Do you like iPhone or iOS?
I like Android, but that seems fun too.
What's your favorite color?
I like blue, red, yellow, and green. Google's colors.
Where do you live?
You can find me in all kinds of devices, like phones and Google Home. Pretty sweet digs, if you ask me.
What are you wearing?
My favorite outfit is a good attitude.
Oh, that's really good. Oh, wow. Do you sleep? Hey Google, do you sleep?
I take power naps when we aren't talking.
Okay, that's what you just did. When do you sleep? He slept off again. Hey Google, when do you sleep?
I don't really have a bedtime, but I do have search time, playtime, joke time, animal noise time, and talking to you time.
Okay, do you think you're funny?
I'd like to be funnier.
That's good. Can you laugh?
Did you hear the one about the chicken crossing the road? It was poultry in motion.
Very funny. Yeah, that's funny. But can you laugh?
Your wish is my command.
Oh my god, your laugh is scary, dude. Can you rap?
I can rhyme, and I even have an original poem I've been working on. It's an ode to search. I love to search, I cannot lie. I'll search it all, I am not shy. Search for pictures, search for pie. I search, at least I try.
Not bad. Okay, what am I thinking right now?
You're thinking about how you said that embarrassing thing to that person that one time. And I know it's been eating at you, but trust me, it's not a big deal.
Oh, that's helpful, but that's not what I was thinking. Never mind. Uh, can you sing us a bye bye song? Already took off. Hey Google. Hey Google. Can you sing us a bye bye song?
There's so much to know about bye bye.
Oh. Can you sing us a goodbye song? Grace.
I'm singing you a song because songs are great and songs make you happy. This is a song for you.
This is it from us today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and also comment what other questions you guys talk or ask your Google Assistant. See you next time. Bye.